NorthgateArinso is an HR solutions company helping organizations make faster and better decisions through innovative technology. We've moved into Asia about 6 years ago, where we came in realizing that this was an area and opportunity to help businesses make faster and better decisions. So over our last few years, we've actually acquired a few businesses, one of them being Converges HR and the other being Neller in Australia. Neller is a payroll solutions company that pays hundreds of thousands of people on weekly, monthly, and bi-monthly payrolls. Also in this acquisition, we were able to acquire a product by the name of Preceda. Preceda is a payroll solution that we've tailor-made for the Philippines. It's going to allow cost-conscious organizations such as the mining and manufacturing, the call center industries that are cost-conscious, and all areas that people find that payroll can be a headache.
We acquired a company called Neller in the Australian market back in late 2010. And what I wanted to bring was an international level product to the local market in the Philippines. And the interesting dynamics of the Philippines is that the average employee in the Philippines is very sophisticated around web enablement, web usage, and what we feel strongly is that we can bring an international level HR system into the Philippines at a local price point.
It's not expensive to implement as other payroll solutions have been in the past. Also, using the methodologies of best practice by NorthgateArinso, we realized that Preceda can save people money, be implemented quickly, and allow people to get on with their core lines of businesses and take away the headache of payroll.
Preceda is a payroll and HRIS engine that was built and has been running for about 30 years in the Australia and New Zealand market. And because it was developed in-house, clients are therefore given this option of having a very effective, very powerful payroll and HRIS engine without necessarily the price tag of a lot of other solutions in the market today.
Preceda today is running in Australia and New Zealand, where we're running around 660,000 employees per month. Within the Philippines, we developed the localized Philippine version with our team here in the Philippines for product development. And what we have is about 3 to 6 months of development that we've put together. We already have 10,000 employees signed up in terms of the system. Our plans are to move that to 100,000 by the end of 2011. During that time, we will also use the Manila product development team to develop payrolls for Singapore, Malaysia, and Vietnam. And we think we can build that out by the end of 2011.
The benefits of Preceda is that it is an integrated people management platform. It offers a single source of truth. So beyond just simple payroll, it has labour scheduling, full HR capability recruitment, e-learning, and indeed self-service technology, so employees are able to access their information. So it genuinely is an integrated people management tool.
Makati Medical Center is a hospital steeped in tradition. It's a cornerstone of healthcare in the Philippines. When we show them the Preceda engine, the initial objective was to address the payroll need. Once you get past the power of the engine in terms of payroll processing, you can see that once you capture the basic payroll master file of any company, you can now run a lot of other HR processes because you've captured the most up-to-date, the most accurate, and the most comprehensive data of the company. And this is where Preceda has the advantage because it has a ad hoc reporting tool. It comes with stock standard reports. So now you have all this payroll data that you can actually mine that usually gets overlooked. You can generate reports specific to your company. You can look at analytics that will help you make better business decisions. And this is the value that we want to offer to the Philippine market.
From really the recruitment phase right up into the retirement phase, where we look at rewards, benefits, and really allowing the employees to grow within the companies that they work for. And this is important given the war for talent that we see in the Philippines with all the call centers, the BPO facilities. There really is a need to address training with the users, training with the employees, and helping them develop their skills while allowing HR to move from just creating payroll solutions into an HR solution.
One of the priorities of MPIC and the top management of Makati Med is to enable the organization technologically, and that will include, of course, human resources. And we needed a very robust HRIS in order for us to deliver all HR services efficiently with the priority being in payroll. We looked at the number of HRIS available in the market, and what impressed us most about Preceda is it will not require huge capex on the part of Makati Med because it is on a pay-per-employee platform, which means that we will only incur costs based on the number of transactions that we use it for. And right now, that stands at around 3,000 employees.
When Makati Med saw all the other functionalities that came with Preceda, such as employee self-service, scheduling, time and attendance, benefits, training, recruitment, it's safe to say we raised their eyebrows in that respect. Now, what better way than to attach the Preceda name to a prestigious company like Makati Med? That lends a lot of credibility.
We chose Preceda because we saw a great market opportunity in that the Philippines market is demanding smart HR, much more than just simple payroll and outsourcing of payroll. So we saw with the English language, the very friendly people, and indeed the large numbers of medium to large organisations, that there's just a huge opportunity for a tool like Preceda.
We want to take it a step further, and that's where we feel the value of Preceda will be perceived in the Philippine market.
The whole idea is to have something implemented in a timely manner, efficient, and adheres to the highest auditing standards. So Preceda is definitely a product needed in the Philippines and needed in the rest of Asia. So if you need a good product that adheres to the highest auditing standards, Preceda is your name.